Hey guys, welcome back to another episode with me. Today we're going to be talking about what I got during the VIB. So I am Rouge. I do get that 20% discount, and I just was excited to share with you guys, and I want to be more consistent with building my channel. Show you guys what I got. It's this box of stuff plus this shelf here. So day one, I did not want my scents to get sold out. I went and purchased the Love by Kilian. I smelled it in stacks, but you really can't beat 20% off. I got this bad boy, and the beauty of it is she is refillable. She smells amazing. Oh, Halo scratched me and it stings. Say hi, Halo. Speak. Good girl. Get down, girl. It just smells intoxicating. I just thought like the packaging was so luxe. This is the Angel Share scent by Kilian. It's so good. Cognac base scent. But you guys, it's like a unisex scent, and it just smells so good. So the Kilian Angel Share perfume was $195, and the Kilian Love Don't Be Shy is $240, and she's out of stock. So like, listen, I did not want to waste any time. Day one, I was like, she's mine, I need her. Those were the higher end purchases. Now I'm gonna go to everything else. Okay, where shall we start? I got the Smashbox Primerizer. This one's still in its package because I have the little sample one, but I really like this one. I feel like it just gets the job done as far as a primer goes. Like, my biggest concern on my skin is like texture, so my pores get really big. And I just feel like as a primer, this combats it really well. It comes out like this. It's kind of watery. I don't know what it does, but what it does under my makeup, it just like, it does the job. It gets it done. The primerizer is $42 for the full size. The next thing that I got was, TikTok made me buy it, the Glow Recipe toner. I have the smaller one as well, and I'm almost out. I do like her. She's really cool. She's great. I have had something similar to it, which was the Clinique Revitalizing like turnover jelly water, but this one is the big one. Okay, for the 5-ounce one, it's $34. And for the little one, it's $15. Keeping on with the Glow Recipe stuff, I did get the lotion. It's really light. If you guys want like a summer moisturizer, you can start here. Okay, so for the lotion, watermelon pink juice, it was $39. This next thing was the Glow Recipe niacinamide dewdrops. So what about it? It does, that's dewy. I don't know. It feels like a lotion as well. What I like to do with this is mix it with my Nars Sheer Glow foundation to make a tinted moisturizer. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow was $34. Oh yeah, I was like, why did I buy two? I gave one to my mom. All right, so the next thing I got makeup wise was the Danessa Myricks Color Fix. Now this one's a glaze. I like to use it as a gloss. It's not sticky. The purpose of it is to go like on your lids or to top like your cheekbones to give you like an extra glow. I support Danessa Myricks because, you know, Black owned beauty, and the quality is just there. I brought this to set, and on one of my photo shoots, I'll put the picture here. She used it in my lid and she was like, it's so pigmented. The price of those two things were $18 each. Okay, so I'm obsessed with the Laguna bronzer. I just think it's just really great for me and my skin tone. So they came out with a cream bronzer right when the VIB started, like hit. It was sold out online, but when I went in the store, it was available. I copped that hoe right up. And when I was checking out, the cashier was like, ooh, what is this? I'm like, girl, it's new, girl, you got get you one. She was $38. So a huge concern of mine is my under eye increasing. You know, it's my concern, so I'm gonna try to remedy it. So I got this eye mask. It is a retinol eye sleeping mask. It's supposed to be brightening and firming so far. Halo. So far I've used it a few times. I have noticed a difference in just like firmness, smoothness, softness, etc. She was $42. Here she is. So far I like her. Next on the list, I got this Fresh hydrating gel cream. I thought this could be like a good daily cream. It's cool too. I like her. She does get the job done. She's moisturizing. She was $41. The next thing I got were these two Born This Way. Okay, so I'm trying to find my shade in Born This Way, and I don't think that they have it as a concealer. I really like the formula, but I think these are a little bit bright for me. So I always want like an exact match. I don't want it to be too bright. So I got Golden Beige and Natural Beige. Golden Beige, Natural Beige. I like the formula just because it's loose, it's work wittable, it's movable, and I thought it would like give me like an airbrush finish under my eye. But because it's just a little bit light, it, you know, every concealer creases, so when I blink and stuff like that, there's like a separation. It's like white, and then I have to like pat it in. I'll be trying to do too much. Okay, so for the small one, it was $16, and for the larger one, it was $30. After that, my hair was going through a situation, so I went and invested in Olaplex. So I wasn't playing with nobody. So I got the Bond Maintenance Conditioner number 5 in the Olaplex. I really like this, period. Highly recommend, especially if you have colored hair, natural hair, dry hair, any type of hair. The way it makes my curls look, you guys, juicy. The next thing is this Bond Smoother Leave-In Conditioner. I like her a lot, but she is on par with my Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. But, you know, I'm gonna finish using it. I really like it, so I'm not complaining. The conditioner I like a lot more. The leave-in is still cool. Like, it carries what I did in the shower out the shower and maintains it. The next thing I got was number 3. I think this is a protein treatment. I think my sister recommended it, and I'm doing this thing where I listen to my sister all 2021, so I'm trying to listen to her more, and I ended up getting this. The next thing I got was number 8. This is a hair mask, and I used it once. She's cool. I like her. I think it's more of a, like, I need to repetitively use these type of things, but overall, when I did use it, everything, my curls were just really juicy. So we always want that. And last but not least, I got the number 7 bonding oil. I like this oil. I just put it on as a topper. Okay, there's 3 more things, you guys. Obviously, we all know her, the Laura Mercier powder, finishing powder. She was $23. I went ahead and got a sample of the Rare Beauty blush, the Joy one, and here she is. The thing about it is, like, this is gonna last me forever. First of all, look how bright that is. Like, okay, but when you like pat it in, like, be careful. You just, like, a little bit is gonna take you so far. Who needs all this blush? That's what I want to know. But it's really pretty. The finish on it is really, really pretty. The price for this one was $20. Last but not least, I got the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. And I've heard a lot of good things about this. I don't use this every day because my motto is listen to your skin. So if you feel like your skin doesn't need it, don't use it. There she is. That's everything that I got during the VIB sale. Anyway, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. If you want to see more of my products or even how I use the products, just let me know in the comments below. But first of all, I want to thank you guys for watching my last video. Thank you to the new subscribers that I got. I appreciate y'all. And you know, welcome to the Royal Court. I hope to see more of you in the future, and let me know what you guys want to see next. That's it for this one. Bye. Cue the music. Do, 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 do.